Hi, this is Attorney Jeremy Eveland again. Another frequently asked question by many clients that I've met with is, will I be able to keep my wedding ring and jewelry? Usually that comes from a wife or a woman who is interested in keeping what we would call a family heirloom. Under Utah law, it's specifically Utah Code Section 78B-5-5061D provides that you can keep and retain as exempt personal property consisting of a family heirloom or other items of sentimental value. Now, this exemption in the state of Utah right now has a limit of $1,000. So the answer is, once again, it depends. If your wedding ring or family heirloom or item of sentimental value exceeds $1,000 in value, then it depends on what chapter of bankruptcy you file. If you file for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, then it is in the discretion of the Chapter 7 trustee assigned to your case whether or not he or she wants to seize that asset and have it sold at an auction to return some portion to your unsecured creditors. Now, in a Chapter 13 bankruptcy case, you are, of course, allowed to keep all of your assets, whether they are exempt or non-exempt. However, the Chapter 13 trustee's office, as well as your attorney, will do what's called a liquidation analysis, wherein they determine that if you would have filed a Chapter 7, what would be the return to the unsecured creditors. This amount in excess of the exemption usually needs to go to your unsecured creditors through the life of your Chapter 13 plan. Depending on whether you file a different bankruptcy case will depend on how the trustee will administer those assets. But basically it depends on the value of the ring or the value of the jewelry that you want to retain. You know, if you have questions about filing bankruptcy or asset protection, you should speak with a qualified attorney before you go ahead and move forward in that direction. You can call my office at any time, area code 801-676-5506. Once again, that's 801-676-5506. You can schedule a free consultation to meet with me to discuss this and any other questions or concerns you might have. Again, this is Jeremy Eveland. Be sure to watch my other videos.